Backing up your password vault with encryption is a crucial step in keeping your sensitive information secure. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Whether you're using a popular password manager or a custom vault, ensuring your passwords are backed up with encryption is a non-negotiable safeguard. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal the software we'll be using for this, and I have an exclusive free trial just for you. Let's dive straight in. First off, you need to open your password manager, the one that stores your vault of passwords. In most cases, you'll find an option to export or back up your vault, but the key is to make sure this file is encrypted before you store it anywhere. So head over to the settings or export section of your software, and when prompted, choose to save your vault as an encrypted file. Now, the encryption part is where many people fall short. Simply exporting your vault isn't enough. You need to make sure it's encrypted. Most password managers offer AES 256 encryption, which is incredibly secure. If you're prompted to set a password for the encrypted file, make sure it's a strong one. I'm talking about a unique password that you won't forget. Using a password manager to store this master password is a smart move if you're worried about remembering it. Once you've selected encryption and set your password, you'll be ready to save the file. Make sure you store it somewhere secure, like an encrypted USB drive or a secure cloud storage service that offers two-factor authentication. The idea is that even if someone gains access to your backup file, they won't be able to open it without your password. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not backing up their vault in multiple secure locations. Yes, it's important to have one backup, but having two or more can be a lifesaver if one fails. Just be sure that these backup locations also have encryption enabled to maintain the security of your vault. If you've been looking for a reliable software to help with this process, I've tested out several popular options and have found one that stands out for its ease of use and robust security features. The software we'll be using in this tutorial ensures your backups are encrypted, and I've partnered with them to offer you an exclusive free trial. You can find the link to this trial in the description below, so don't forget to check it out if you want to follow along with the tutorial. Now, the key takeaway from this video: always back up your password vault with encryption. No matter how secure your vault is, a backup without encryption is vulnerable to attacks. Use strong encryption, store your backups in multiple secure locations, and always make sure you're protecting your master password. To quickly recap: export your vault, ensure it's encrypted with a strong password, and save it in multiple secure locations. And if you're looking for software to help you do this seamlessly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to take that extra step to protect your data today.